Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell right here on NinjaTrader. And if you want to do this, we go right here to new, where we select here on this list the chart. Then we select right here the instrument that we want to trade. So let's do ES June, that's fine. And then we do OK. And to be honest, it doesn't matter which one we are using, because I just show you right now how to buy and sell, and that is the most important part. Then right now what we're going to do is we select right here at this, the chart trader, and we turn this one on. So right now we can buy and we can sell right here. So what we're going to do right now is we select right here the account that we want to use, select right here for how much you want to step in with that trade. And then after that, it's quite simple because we click here on buy market. Buy market one contracts ES June 26 to account SIM 101, and then we do yes. And now if you can see, we created ourselves a position right here on the market. And if you want to do this for a sell position, we can do exactly the same, because fill in right here with how much you want to buy and then click here on sell, and then we do yes. And now we just sold right here a position 2. So this is how you can buy and sell right here on NinjaTrader. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.